This is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number CP15579T. It is a gray in color, or charcoal. There's the fog lights, the grill for you. Seems to have new tires on it. Is all power windows, doors, and locks. Does have heated seats, a heated steering wheel. There's the radio, center console for you. Does have your Bluetooth, your cruise control all in the wheel. It is backed by Chrysler's certified pre-owned warranty. This unit does come with the stow and go seating. Leather seats, and it's got like a suede as well. There's the DVD player. The back seat does have cup holders in the back as well in the doors. Really nice vehicle here. It is the SXT Flex Fuel. Plenty of storage back here. You can either flip the seats down or put the groceries back here. Just an all-around really nice vehicle. Here's the warranty for you. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Stock number is CP15579T. It's a really nice unit. You can stop out and see us or visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com. You can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.